look what we got here. My God, it's got a spider on it. That looks very old.
Oh my God, it's so... Ooh,
Oh, what's it got in it? Powder.
probably wouldn't know.
It looks like something to settle the stomach in the old days.
Oh, that's
Cool
just
bottle.
funny. That's just funny.
What a
That's
guy.
not even nice.
You're going to have a
bottle.
shot, Rob?
Wondering if there's an expiry date on it.
What's it saying?
Well, you might be able to use it, Rob. It's got no expiry. Bismuret. What's that? That's like a bit like a stomach settler.
Contract against. What does it say?
Acidity.
Acidity.
For the stomach.
Your stomach. Yeah.
That's awesome. Very old. We
You
haven't.
better try that, Rob.
If we manage to find an expiry date on it, we'll stick it up
That's my dummy.
so people can see on the screen.
Ooh, it's still full.
Yeah, cool. Well, it's our first exciting find.